10 years ago, when I was pressing the button of my PC at my company, one of my senior has asked me, Naveed, you have to go to the waiting room and wait for the boss. And I said, why? He said, because you have taken a leave 2 days ago on Saturday. So I said, I have done this with the permission of the boss. He said, yeah, but you need to go to the waiting room because the boss said me that way. I went to the waiting room, waited for the boss for a straight 2 hours. At around 11 a.m. in the morning, boss came in that waiting room and said, Naveed, you are fired. And I shocked. Why? He said, because you were not present at the last Saturday. I said, I had taken your permission for that leave. He said, we don't need your services anymore. You can go to the home. You are fired. So I came downstairs of the building of my company. That was a hot summer day. There was a pollution on that road, heating day, and the noises of the traffic all over around me. I came there in a sudden way from a chilled office to this ground, and I was thinking, how the heck can I tell this story to my mother and my family? Because at that time my elder brother was also jobless for past couple of months. So I went to a internet cafe in my area and talked with the guy at the reception that I want to have one of your cabin rented for the full month. And he was a little bit nervous because the internet cafe's culture allowed them to rent some cabin for the 1 hour or 30 minutes. So we talked on them and he allowed me to use one cabin for the full month payment, straight full month payment on a discounted price. So what I did at that time, I regularly used to come out of my home at regular 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and go to that internet cafe and try to have some internet national design contest, because I am a designer and I was a designer at that time, and participate in those international contests. I didn't told what has been happened to anyone in my family or friend or companions or mate. The environment or the culture of that internet cafe was really awkward because there was a bad smell of the vodka the guys using in those internet cafe, and some weird sound coming out of the headphones by neighboring cabin. And this was the environment where I started. Another main pain point in that internet cafe was that internet cafe had some restoring point system. So whenever I had to take some little short break for a coffee or break or lunch, or for any reason I need to go to outside of that cafe, all the design software programs I installed in that computer and all my source design files deleted in a quick way as that computer gets locked or gets restarted. That was a consistent pain because I needed to install all the softwares 4 to 5 times a day or 3 to 5 times a day, because everything got stuck and computers comes to a standard restoring point. That pain has vanished out because I talked with the guy at the reception that we need to fix it because I'm in consistent pain due to this restoring point system. So for the next 3 months, I have taken participation in international design contest, and after 3 months I got a job in my city in a software house, and in that 3 months period I won 4 international design contests that worth my 4 month of salary. Joining that new software house was a very exciting experience for me, because that had again that AC chilled environment, a good mentor and a very good team leader. But it come out to another hack in my life, because I was getting consistent pain from that team leader on daily basis. I got insulted in front of all the guys in the office on some small mistakes, and that bad behavior and painful attitude of my team leader led me to leave that new office, which I was really excited about 10 months ago, and start my previous journey that I had started in that dirty internet cafe. I left my office and resigned. Everybody at that company shocked by my sudden resign. The CEO of the company invited me for a private meeting to understand what the heck is going on around there, and I asked him that I want to start my own journey. He said, Naveed, freelancer does not have any respect. You know what are you going to do? You will be nowhere. Seriously, I am telling you, you will be nowhere, and you are not going to leave my company. But I said, seriously, I need to go. My team leader said, I respect you a lot, and that HR manager respect you a lot, and this guy respects you a lot, and we can work together, we can figure out the situation. But I had decided to leave that company and started my own journey. So I had taken some loan from one of my family member, and that loan was sufficient to cover 3 months expenses in case if I don't earn any money for the straight forward 3 months. And that loan was enough to buy me a new laptop and a small TV. I started at home. I started to take participation in design contests and try some freelancing websites, including Upwork.com. Fast forward 10 years, right now in 2020, September 2020, I am a top-rated freelancer at Upwork, an instructor with 15,000 students in 160 countries around the world at Udemy.com, a writer at a publisher of a book on Amazon.com, a multi-industry investor, which on average never got a loss on average in any industry. I had invested in cryptocurrency and blockchain, property, mutual funds, and some other stuff. I have also consulted and given the coaching to multiple guys free of cost to learn their potential, to understand their mindset and improve their personal skills and know why they are here and what they are here to do. My parents still don't know what has been happened with my life 12 years ago, and I still don't want them to learn, because there was not any point. Success and life, both are the two things. Life teaches you in very weird ways. You don't know what the why behind the events and the painful behaviors coming inside your life. Life teaches you in very uncomfortable situation. You can't connect the dots of the future. So don't try to. Uncomfortable situations in your life are the founders, and success is the product. You can't create a product without the founders. You need to welcome them. Welcome uncomfortable situations in your life. Thank you.